Do I want to turn $10 into $1,000? Just using two techniques, you can avoid the mistakes of 90% of beginners. Believe me, if I could change my life, you can as well. Hi everyone! You're on the Options Trading channel with Evelyn. Dozens of people every day are disappointed with binary options because they lose money. But the reason is their own mistakes. They have no knowledge, no clear plan, no source of correct information. These are the reasons why some people give up and refuse from financial freedom. I myself made a huge number of mistakes that cost me thousands of dollars when I started trading. So today I'm going to share 4 steps that will make your trading career a lot easier. If you are a beginner and you are seriously thinking about trading, you should go to my free Telegram channel right now. There I post signals that I trade personally, share my advice and answer all your trading questions. Almost 10,000 people are already making money with me. Maximum benefit every day and absolutely free. Be sure to subscribe at the link below the video. I'm waiting for you. My win rate is 86.6% and my tips will help you avoid common mistakes that beginner traders make. This is what we need. Step 1. Decision. The first necessary step that can change your life forever is your personal decision to become financially independent and start your journey in binary options trading. Many of us promise ourselves to become successful, but 90% of us remain at the level of promises. How to become one out of 10 lucky ones? In order to make a change, you need to take action. You can start right now. Find time for trading in your schedule. For starters, even if it's no more than an hour a day. Next, find a budget for your first steps. Don't be afraid, even a small budget will already be enough. Oh my god, it's possible and you can do it too. Answer yourself honestly. Do I want to turn $10 into $1,000? Then set the goal and take action, step by step. Be persistent and don't rest on your laurels. You are the author of your destiny and every day provides an opportunity to fill a blank sheet of paper with your dreams. Here is an example of how I turned $10 into significant amounts of money. Let's watch a couple of trading sessions that are already on my channel.
Let's put amount of $19. What are we observing here, friends? The price isn't flat and almost does not move. The RSI indicator is gradually approaching the level of 30. This is the oversold zone, but it has not touched it yet. I believe we can count on a short downward movement, so we will open a lower option. We have one more win! As you can see, after opening the option, the upward price movement continued and we got a profit again. Let's set $133 so that we don't waste time and move on to the analysis. There was a local uptrend here, but pay attention, when the chart reached the resistance level, it could not break it, but only bounced from it. This is a direct signal for us to open a lower option. Let's not waste time and open the trade. Well, exciting! Have you seen this trade? Let's move on to the third currency pair for the final trade. Fantastic! Wow, it was really exciting.
So even starting with a small amount, you can increase it several times in one short session. Then you can raise your deposit and achieve even more. Believe me, if I could change my life, you can as well. Every next action you take is a step towards financial independence. I would not be sitting here now if 7 years ago I had not said to myself, this is my life and I want to change it. This is where I told you about my experience. My path to success was not easy, and I realized how important it is to have the support and advice of an experienced trader. That's why I'm here to help you avoid mistakes and make your path easy. Step 2. Immersion. Now that you've made the decision to become wealthy, it's time to move on. Step number 2. Initial training and experience building. The best trading for beginners is learning from the practical experience of professional traders. What can be better than learning from those who have already achieved significant results and have experience in trading? It's awesome! Even once you watch all the videos on my channel, you will be able to see how I analyze the market and make decisions. All this will become your example and help you develop critical thinking and analytical skills. If you want to understand how I build a personal trading strategy, subscribe to my free Telegram channel. There, I not only hold trading sessions, which by the way each of you can participate in for free, but also explain step by step how to trade on binary options, how to use the trading platform. If you are a beginner, I even show you which buttons on the platform to press. I also give support to all participants every day. That is, you can expect that in a couple of days you will understand trading and can already get your first money, even with very little knowledge at the start. Yes, for some it may seem that trading strategies are difficult, but in fact everything is much easier. I will personally help you with it. I have described all my experience with all the details in my book. It will be a universal source of knowledge and experience for you. If you want to find out more about my book, go to my free Telegram channel. Step 3. Trading using my signals. Many novice traders fall into the trap of their own fear. I don't know everything yet. I haven't figured it all out. However, being a theoretical trader is extremely dangerous. Practice is the third important step to take. Only once you start trading, you will be able to fully understand the intricacies of the process. Remember, if you are a beginner and you don't have enough experience, you will probably lose all your money at first. And I don't want that to happen to you like it happened to me. I post daily signals in my Telegram channel, which I trade with myself, to protect you from mistakes.
We can afford to put a larger amount, for example, $450. Now, let's analyze the chart. The price is approaching a local support level. I assume that soon we will see a rebound from this level and the chart reversal in the opposite direction. That is upwards. So, I will not waste time and send a signal for a minute higher option in the channel and then open the trade myself. That's perfect! Look at that!
Remember, if you are a beginner and you don't have enough experience, you will probably lose your money at first. And I don't want that to happen to you like it happened to me. I post daily signals in my Telegram channel, which I trade with myself, to protect you from these mistakes. By just copying my actions, you will be able to gain practical trading experience as safely as possible. You should not start with large sums of money. It will not add to your experience, but with a high probability you will lose considerable money and maybe even forget about trading forever. Just using two techniques, small amounts of money in trading and trading on my signals, you can avoid the mistakes of 90% of beginners. So put your fear aside and start acting. Practice is the key to success. Come to experience gradually and without risks. Follow my signals and together we will succeed in the financial markets. Do not put off your success for later. It is waiting for you right now. Step 4. Trading on your own. When you have already mastered the basics of trading and gained your first experience, the last but the most important step is to trade on your own. Many beginners dread this moment and succumb to the fear of uncertainty. But if you remember your main goal, to achieve financial independence, you will definitely find strength to take this decisive step. Self-trading is the path on which you seek your style and strategy. Don't be afraid to use small amounts to get started. It is more important to start making your own decisions. This is when you truly become a trader. Using your own experience, you begin to base your decisions on personal signals. Now it's time to start seriously analyzing your actions and keeping a trading log. This will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, as well as better understand the psychology of trading. Yes, it may seem difficult now, but your motivation and drive to succeed will lead you to your desired goal. Don't be afraid of challenges. Start today, and I'm ready to help you every step of the way. My 7 years of trading experience is your trusted compass on this journey. As easy as pie! Don't forget about my Telegram channel. There, I not only hold trading sessions, in which, by the way, each of you can participate for free, but also explain step by step how to trade on binary options, how to use the trading platform. If you are a beginner, I even show you what buttons to press on the platform. I also give support to all participants every day. That is, you can expect that in a couple of days you will understand trading and can already get your first money, even with very little knowledge at the start. Yes, for some it may seem that trading strategies are difficult, but in fact everything is much easier. I will personally help you with this. Imagine, you just need to enter the trades following me and you will be able to consistently get the same results as me. I'm not sorry to share my experience with people. I will gladly guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you get to a new financial level of life. And these are a few feedbacks from my grateful subscribers who are already earning money from trading. I would love to guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you get to a new level of life. It's all for you and it's all free. My channel is designed to share with you unique knowledge, methods, and strategies. I plan to tell you about emotion control, technical indicators, analysis methods, and much more. If you want more trading videos on my channel, like this video, please. Your support and interest in training videos is an inspiration for me to make new materials. I'm sure that together we will build your successful trading career right here. Trust me, and let's build a solid foundation for your financial future together. So that's all for you today. I hope I helped you understand the first steps of trading, and if you still have questions, leave them in the comments. Bye bye!